Well, welcome back, everyone. This market is teeter-tottering right at the edge. Does it have enough momentum to carry us to higher all-time highs? Or do we have to pull back first? Is the pullback going to be the finality, i.e., do we make a top? So as you look at the indices across the page over here, you're looking at the Russell at the very left-hand side futures, the Dow. Then you've got the S&P E-minis and the NASDAQ, which has the overweighted position of the FANGs or Mag 7 stocks. Now, as I look through, the Champion Trend Pack Toolkit tells us that the resumption of that immense buy move up, that resumption, it's great. However, it's not following through just as of yet. It's holding in, but it's not following through. So a catalyst is required. Now, in fact, if a catalyst does not emerge over the next day, which I do see as likely, i.e. the US dollar comes down with policy-related remarks from other central banks that are giving us some insight over the next couple of days, well, the insight would likely strengthen their currencies as they're probably going to be more dovish than hawkish. And then what happens? Well, their currencies actually strengthen, push the US dollar down, and that should allow what you're seeing right now, which is 4-hour charts, which are by and large not in the best shape, but the Russell is probably in the worst shape. And then I can go turn over to the Dow as the next worst. We're actually seeing the 4-hour charts on the S&P and the NASDAQ, and these charts look out several days. They're sitting in a great spot, actually, trying to get themselves out of a mixed signal state and get back into a buy signal state, which is largely in play. Now, don't get me wrong, there's resistance structures up ahead that we still have to deal with. There's no question about that. But when I look at this in a multi-time frame manner, it tells me the story that I need to know. And on top of that, I want you to know that you've got a market that is teeter-tottering. It's near all-time highs. There are shorter-term moves that are available while the market holds up and holders of bullish alongside trades don't end up selling. However, at some point, waiting is going to be too painful. And when a big player sells, things start to go. For now, we're holding in and taking advantage of active trading with the Master Heikinashi Trading to ace your prop trading evaluations workshop with Dr. Keith Wade. That's this Thursday on October the 24th, starting at 10 a.m. Eastern time. So if you're a prop trader trying to get your account funded and you want to use the tools that Dr. Keith Wade did to get his accounts funded and get recently 5-digit payout, as you heard Rob say, well, guess what? He's doing a class just for you this Thursday. Simply go to becomeabettertrader.com/yes. Get your seat now. It starts on Thursday, October the 24th. We'll see you there at 10 a.m. Eastern time. Bye for now, all.